Here is a personal injector Spasilen for autonomous intramuscular or subcutaneous injections. Before using it, please read the manual in the kit. The injector uses 3mm and 5mm syringes. The most suitable injection sites are the upper outer squares of the buttocks and the outer thigh. Depending on the type being performed, the injections are intramuscular and subcutaneous. Make sure that you have an acceptable expiration date and the tightness of the syringe packaging. Also make sure you have no allergy to the injected drug. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and dry them. Then treat it with an antiseptic or alcohol wipe. Also treat the surface of the vial or bottle with the medicine with an alcohol wipe. Without removing the protective cap from the needle, insert the syringe into the universal cartridge. The finger rest, wings on the syringe cylinder is installed in the slot of the cartridge. Insert the cartridge together with the syringe inside the injector. Lean the plunger stop of the syringe against the injector pusher without inserting the cartridge legs into the slots. Insert the cartridge legs into the slots of the cartridge holder until it stops and snap. Take out the syringe without removing the cartridge. Break off the tip of the vial or remove the protective cap and aluminium tab in the center of the vial cap. Carefully, without violating sterility, draw the injected plug solution into the syringe in the required volume, slowly pulling back the syringe plunger. Holding the syringe with the needle up, squeeze out any air bubbles and make sure there is no air left in the syringe. Place the protective cap on the needle. The syringe with the medicine is ready to use. Cock the plunger of the syringe up until it stops. Lower the lift down until the first click during subcutaneous injection and all the way with intramuscular injection. Treat the injector with an alcohol wipe. Insert the filled syringe into the injector. The protrusions for the finger at the syringe are installed in the groove of the cartridge. Close the injector body with the cap. Insert the needle cap remover until the click. Wipe the end of the injector with an alcohol wipe. Remove the protective cap from the needle with a stripper. Wipe a large area of the skin at the site selected for injection with an alcohol wipe. Press the injector tightly to the site of the intended injection at a right angle. Press the shutter down. After pressing the shutter down, the needle entry mechanism will be triggered. First, click. Then the medicine will be injected within next 15 to 20 seconds. Then the needle extraction mechanism will work. Second click. The injection is done. If for any reason the needle extraction mechanism does not work, remove the needle yourself by simply lifting the injector perpendicularly from the injection site. Treat the injection area with an alcohol wipe. Open the body of the injector, remove the syringe, put the protective cap on the needle. If medicine gets on the body of the injector, rinse it. After that, dry it. Wipe all surfaces of the injector with an alcohol wipe. Now it's easier than ever to inject yourself. Trust Spasilen, and it will do everything for you.